Alright, let's start with Ielts speaking part 2. Describe a house or apartment that someone you know lives in. Please.
Okay, I would like to talk about a house which is my sister's house. She lives in Islamabad with his husband and three sons. So they bought the house 2 years back. Her husband is a doctor. They came back from Canada like after 10 years. Now they want to settle down here. So they choose a very beautiful house, and which is like 4 to 5 hours away from Lahore. So I visit over there twice a month, and the house is very beautiful. The wooden work and the interior over there is very beautiful. My sister is a interior designer, so she decorated the house with her own. She bought all the crockery and curtains and sofas, everything over there with her own interest. And when I visited over there, I found that the room spaces and the garden and everything is over there is very peaceful to live. So the house mainly have 2 stories.
Okay, thank you so much. 1 minute and 17 seconds. So overall, it's fine. Well, two things. The first thing, when you started, you talked about your sister, then you said his husband. It should be her husband. Right? Yeah, we've recorded it. I can play it again for you. Don't worry. Then you said they choose. It should have been they chose with single O. Choose is first form, second form is chose. Then you said with her own. It should be she has decorated it on her own. Not with her own, on her own. And then there are some issues related to fluency, but overall your answer is fine. Now let's move on to speaking part 3. Do you prefer to live in the city or the countryside? Countryside means village.
I prefer to live in city because there are more opportunities and to explore yourself, to live over there with entertainment and with lots of activities which are going over there time by time. And the houses over there are more comfortable than the houses in countryside. So to answer your question, I would love to live in city.
All right, that's good. Mashallah, excellent. Keep it up. Good job. Thank you.